Have you been dreaming of a life in sunny Portugal? Of building your career with the Atlantic Ocean as your backdrop? Well, stop dreaming and start planning because the door to Europe just swung wide open. The Portuguese government has just dropped a major announcement. The brand new skilled job seeker visa is officially here. That's right, the old system is gone, and a powerful new pathway has arrived. But what does this mean for you? What are the new rules? And how can you secure your ticket to Portugal? Stick with me, because in this video we're breaking down everything you need to know. October 22nd and 23rd, a canceled stamp over the old visa and a new banner over the new one. First, let's clear the air. You might have heard about the old job seeker visa. Well, as of October 23rd, it's history. The government pulled the plug on all existing appointments for the old visa. But don't panic. This isn't a closure, it's an upgrade. They've replaced it with this new, targeted skilled job seeker visa. This is a strategic move to attract the best and brightest talent from around the world. So, who qualifies for this golden ticket? The full details are still coming, but based on the press release, here are the non-negotiable requirements you must prepare for. Higher education or professional certification. You need a degree or a professional certification that qualifies you for highly skilled or technical positions. Portugal is being selective. They want skilled professionals. You must prove you can support yourself financially for your entire stay. The exact amount is yet to be announced, so start saving now. Valid health insurance. This is mandatory. Your insurance must cover your entire intended stay in Portugal. Clean criminal record. Your background check must be spotless, no exceptions. Now, the million-dollar question. What counts as a skilled profession? It's highly likely Portugal will adopt a list similar to the EU Blue Card framework, focusing on high-demand fields like tech, engineering, and healthcare. We're all waiting for the official National Qualifications Catalog to drop. Okay, you meet the requirements. How do you actually apply? The process is designed to be straightforward. Before you even book a consulate appointment, you must register an expression of intent with IAFP, Portugal's Employment and Vocational Training Institution. Think of this as getting your pre-approval to hunt for jobs. The IAFP will confirm that your profile is qualified to seek work in Portugal. Once you have that precious confirmation from IAFP, you gather all your documents, proof of funds, insurance, criminal record, etc., and submit your visa application at your local Portuguese embassy or consulate. Processing time is expected to be around 60 days. If approved, you get a 120-day visa to enter Portugal. That's 4 months to land your dream job. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the update when the official profession list is released. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.